Hello everyone. So after the order blocks topic that we have discussed before, here we go with the breaker blocks. Okay, so first of all, what is breaker blocks? Breaker block is a failed order block that turns into another supply or demand area on the charts. Okay, so from basic price action that we know that whenever the price break through a resistance, okay, let's go with a sample here. Okay, whenever the price break through the resistance, so this area will become supports, right? When the price step in, it will reject this area and continue the uptrend. Okay, this is the first thing. Second thing, we know that whenever the price break out the supports, okay, this area will become resistant. From support it become resistant and price will step in again, rejects and go bearish. Okay, this is from the markets participants logics. Okay, so what we can apply in the order blocks is actually the same. Okay, let's go with the real example. Right now what we can see right here, you can see the markets already changed to uptrends, right? Okay, it's already changed to uptrend this area. Okay, you can see on the breakouts. Okay, so this is the valid order blocks OB. Okay, it's the valid order blocks. But what we can see is overall on the price, overall on trend, the GJ, okay, this pair is on GJ, is still downtrend. Okay, so we can just mark this area. If the price reject, we go on buy. If the price break through, we go on sell. This is a function of the order blocks. Okay, this is a function of the order blocks. So what we can see right here, H1 is actually breakthrough, breakouts, right? Breakouts. So this will become the breaker blocks. From order block, it become the breaker blocks. Okay, how can we know that is it valid or not? Okay, this valid or not issue will be determined by the validity of the liquidity. Okay, the liquidity. If this breaker block happens in a liquidities area, which is this area lah. Okay, you can see that this you got the liquidity area from the supports. Okay, this will become the supports. Okay, this will become resistance. Yeah, resistance, supports. This is we call that liquidity. If the order block happen in this liquidity area, once it breaks up, it will become the valid breaker blocks. Okay, so what you can do is you just mark this order blocks area, wait for the breakouts, and entry. Okay, and entry sell right here. And here you go, you can see how far it go. Yeah, you can see how far it go from here. It's actually 120 pips. Okay, it's 120 pips. This is for the bearish breaker blocks. Okay, so after the bearish example, let's go to the bullish example. Okay, from what you can see in Euro AUD H1 right now, yeah, you can see this is the previous low, this is the high. The price keep making the lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Okay, but it didn't break. Yeah. Again, this area still didn't break the new lower low, so this lower high actually not important. Okay, from what it break out the structures. Again, have to remember, if you want to trade for the order block, always look for the market structure breakouts box. Okay, so the valid order block is where? Is this area when it made the new lower low. So it's around here lah. You just take the last candle. Because the structures is like this. Okay, the structures is like this. Okay, so this is the structures, the last candle before the market change. Market structure shift lah. Okay, is this area. Okay, like what you can see right here, this area also in the liquidities levels, right? 1 high, 2 high, 3 high, 4 high. Okay, this is all the liquidities. So this order block is valid. So after the breakouts, what you can do, okay, you wait for the pullbacks. Okay, you wait for the pullbacks. You can entry here. Also can this consider medium risk lah. Okay, you consider because this OB has changed to BB, breaker blocks. Yeah, it already breakouts. Okay, you can entry also when it is from the confirmation candles. This is what we call bullish engulfings. So you can entry here. Your SL here, and your TP will be on previous high, which is around this area. Alright, so this is how can we trade through order blocks and breaker blocks. Enjoy the video. Happy study. See you again. Bye.